Today we will learn how to buy cryptocurrencies in Coins.ph. Before we start, make sure you have already an account, but if you don't have, you can check the description below to sign up. So what is Coins.ph? Coins.ph is like a GCASH if you are familiar with GCash app. Using Coins.ph, you can buy load, you can pay bills, remit money to banks, send money to anyone that are also using Coins.ph or other cryptocurrency wallet, and many more. But one of the advantages of Coins.ph is they support some cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual money and it has no physical form like the money in your wallet. It serves as an ordinary money such as dollars, pounds, euros, peso, etc. But it has no physical counterparts. The cryptocurrency exists only in electronic form. Some example of cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and many more. Each of them also has different value. Like for example, one Bitcoin is equivalent to 10,500 US dollar or 525,000 in Philippine peso. One Ethereum is equivalent to $310 or 15,500 in Philippine peso. And one XRP is equivalent to zero point 0.2 US dollar or 10 in Philippine peso. There's a lot of cryptocurrencies circulating already and 4 of them are supported by Coins.ph. Those cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin or BTC, Ethereum which is ETH, Bitcoin Cash which is BCH, and Ripple which is XRP. Coins.ph is acting like a storage or wallet on those mentioned cryptocurrencies. For example, in real life, if you have money, you can put that to your wallet, and in Coins.ph, if you have cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, you can put that to your Coins.ph wallet. If you have already an account, you can download the Coins.ph app in Play Store. Just search Coins.ph. You can also access their website just by typing Coins.ph in the address bar. If you already installed the Coins.ph app, it will look like this. Just slide it or skip. In my case, I have already an account, so all I need to do is to log in. To log in, you can use the email address or mobile number you entered during your sign up. This is one of my favorite features of Coins.ph. They always send OTP in every important action you make, so you can rest assured that no one can access your account unless they get your OTP, so be careful in handling your SMS or email. After you log in, it will ask you to set 4 pins. You will use that pin in every time you open the app. It will also give you an option if you want to enable fingerprint authentication instead. So now I'm opening the app. In this video, I am using app version 3.3.16. This is the interface of the Coins.ph app. So you have the PHP or Philippine Peso, BTC or Bitcoin, ETH or Ethereum, BCH or Bitcoin Cash, and XRP or Ripple. As you can see, I have 68.35 pesos in my PHP wallet. If you don't know how to cash in, you can click the cash in button to see the available options for cash in. Now let's try to buy cryptocurrency and let's make an example in BCH or Bitcoin Cash. So for example, if you want to buy BCH, just go to BCH and click the convert button. This will be the interface. Since we want to buy BCH from our PHP wallet, just choose PHP in this upper part since this will be the source, and choose BCH in the lower part since this is the destination. So remember that the upper part is the source and lower part is the destination. In this video, the current rate of 1 BCH is 14,256 PHP. And if we want to convert BCH going back to PHP, the current rate is 1 BCH is equals to 13,666 PHP. And why? That is because of fees. To understand that, let's try to buy BCH. Since I have 68.35 pesos, I will enter the amount of PHP I want to spend on BCH. In my case, I want to buy BCH for the amount of 68 pesos. For 68 pesos, I will going to have 0.0047694 BCH. Just slide to convert. After buying BCH for the amount of 68 pesos, my 68 pesos becomes 65.16 pesos. That is because of fees, and the fees depends on the current rate of cryptocurrency you want to buy. To earn in this platform, you need to wait the price of cryptocurrency to increase before converting it back to PHP. Let me show you the chart of Ethereum. So this is the Ethereum and its current price is 319.50 US dollar. And this is the chart of Ethereum. Again, its current price now is around $319, but way back year 2015, its price is only below $1. Going to year 2016, its price increased to around $10, and going to 2018, the price played around 1,300 US dollar. So if you are lucky enough in 2016 and you invest your money and sell it in year 2018, let's compute your gain. Let's assume you buy in $10 and sell it in $1,300. You will get 130 times of your money. So way back 2016, if you invest your 10,000 PHP in the price of $10 per Ethereum, then you sell it in 2018 with the price of $1,300 per Ethereum, you already have 1,300,000 PHP in 2018 for only 2 years. Let's see the chart right now for the year of 2020. Due to pandemic, the price dropped to around 115 US dollar last March 18, 2020. And again, if you are lucky enough and you invest that time, you already have more than 100% gain since the current price is already around 319 US dollar. Let's get back to Coins.ph. If you want to send money to anyone using cryptocurrency, remember that each of your wallet has a unique wallet address. If you are the person A and you want to send money to person B, you should request the wallet address of person B. And how to see the wallet address? For example, I want to see my wallet address in PHP. All I need to do is to click the receive button under PHP and then show blockchain wallet address. Remember that your friend can only transfer BTC or Bitcoin on this address or else your funds will be permanently lost. So this is my PHP wallet address, and if someone wants to send me money using BTC, all I need is to give them this alphanumeric character. To check your other wallet address like BTC or ETH, just repeat the process. If you are the sender and for example you want to send ETH to other wallet, all you need to do is to input the address you want to send the money. There's a lot of crypto wallet and some examples are Coinbase wallet, Coin Payments wallet, and many more. You can transfer your cryptocurrency from Coins.ph to those wallet using wallet address. A friendly reminder, be careful in any investment and always measure the risk. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Also be careful in some pyramiding scheme which they use cryptocurrency to scam people. Your profit should come from trading various instruments, not from inviting people to sign up. If a friend is asking you to invest and the method to earn money is by referring others, think twice. Avoid pyramiding scheme as much as possible. And there we go. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tutorials.